And it all started with this thing called work-life balance. You remember that, work-life balance? However, it's no longer about balance. It's about blending together work and home life. Technological, economic, and social factors have substantially changed the way we live. With over 60 million multi-generational households in the U.S., that's 60 million homes with at least 3 generations living under one roof, just in the U.S. There's work from home days at virtually every company, and there's access to work 24/7. So what happens at work has a much more significant impact on our personal lives and how we show up in our communities than at any other point in history. We used to look at work and life like they were separate, kind of like a divided plate of food with different parts for each food group and serving. But technology's changed that. With technology, there's less separation between work, home life, and our community life. It's crazy that it's taken us this long to figure it out. We've known forever that we seek connection and inclusion. Rather than work and life being separate, like a divided plate of food, it's more like a veggie fruit smoothie, all blended together, making something healthy and sweet.